Hello guys, are you seeing our okra? So this is our okra garden. Are you seeing how big this okra is? So I just felt I should show you guys. Are you seeing how big this one is? Are you seeing how big they are? This one is still blooming. So I don't need to start buying okra in the market. I have okra here. See this one? This one is still coming up. This one is still blooming. Are you seeing how large this okra is? See this, very large. Are you seeing how large this is? Are you seeing how large? Are you seeing this? So I felt I should show you guys our okra garden. So this one are still coming up. As you guys can see, they are still coming up. So if you've not seen okra plants before, for those that have not seen it before, this is how okra plant looks like. So the seed is planted. Once the seed is dried, I think it's the seed that is being planted. It's the seed that is being planted to grow the okra plant itself. Guys, this species of okra is so large. So I felt I should show you guys around to see our okra garden. So these ones are still coming out. Like, see this. This is still in form of flower. Like, it has bloomed. The full view of the garden. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much. Bye.